Which Indian state has recently imposed a complete ban on begging across all public places? A. Maharashtra. B. Uttar Pradesh. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Rajasthan. Correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh has issued a complete ban on begging across all public places, following Indore's example, as part of efforts to tackle the issue and provide alternative solutions for displaced beggars. Reasons for ban on begging: the ban was triggered by reports of begging at traffic signals, religious sites, and tourist spots, causing traffic disruptions and accidents. Which popular Greek island has been placed on high alert after experiencing over 200 undersea earthquakes in 4 days, with magnitudes up to 4.6? A. Mykonos. B. Santorini. C. Crete. Rhodes. Correct answer is Santorini. Authorities have heightened precautions on Santorini, Greece, following over 200 undersea earthquakes, some up to 4.8 in magnitude, raising earthquake concerns. Schools are closed and emergency protocols activated for Santorini and nearby islands. Experts provide some reassurance, but residents remain anxious as tremors continue. Temporary shelters and emergency crews are in place as some locals evacuate. In which Indian state is the country's first university set to open? A. Karnataka. B. Maharashtra. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Gujarat. Correct answer is Maharashtra. Maharashtra will establish India's first university to advance education, research, and innovation. A task force of experts from academia, industry, and government will oversee its planning. The university aims to drive world development, boost innovation, enhance skills. Former German President and IMF chief Horst Kohler, who recently passed away at the age of 81, previously served as the head of which international organization? Correct answer is International Monetary Fund, IMF. Former German President Horst Kohler passed away at 81 in Berlin after a short illness. Kohler, who served as the 9th Federal President of Germany from 2004 to 2010, was dedicated to fair globalization and emphasized the importance of Africa for global development. German Chancellor Olaf Scholz called him a committed politician. The Indian Army has partnered with which institute to develop eco-friendly bamboo bunkers? A. IIT Bombay. B. IIT Delhi. C. IIT Guwahati. D. IIT Madras. Correct answer is IIT Guwahati. The Indian Army has collaborated with IIT Guwahati to create bamboo-based composite bunkers as a substitute for conventional construction materials. This initiative focuses on promoting sustainability, minimizing weight, and enhancing ease of deployment in high-altitude areas such as Arunachal. The Union Budget 2025-26 announced which mission to conserve and document 1 crore manuscripts? A. Shiksha Setu Mission. B. Gyan Bharatam Mission. C. Vidya Vikas Yojana. Correct answer is Gyan Bharatam Mission. The Union Budget 2025-26 announced a special mission for the survey, documentation, and conservation of India's manuscript heritage. Launched as the Gyan Bharatam Mission, it intends to cover more than 1 crore manuscripts. The Gyan Bharatam Mission is for undertaking the survey, documentation and conservation of India's manuscript heritage, lying with academic institutions, museums, libraries, and private collectors, Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said in her budget speech. The Tribhuvan Sahakari University Bill, 2025 was introduced in Lok Sabha to establish India's first national cooperative university at which institute? A. IIM Ahmedabad. B. IRMA, Gujarat. Correct answer is IRMA, Gujarat. The Government of India has introduced a bill to establish the Tribhuvan Sahakari University. This new institution will be located on the campus of the Institute of Rural Management, Anand, IRMA, in Gujarat. The bill was presented in Lok Sabha by the Minister of State for Cooperation, Krishan Pal Gurjar, on 3 February 2025. The university aims to be an institution of national importance, focusing on cooperative education and training. Which three West African countries recently announced their withdrawal from ECOWAS? A. Ghana, Togo, Benin. B. Nigeria, Senegal, Ivory Coast. C. Niger, Mali, Burkina Faso. Correct answer is Niger, Mali, Burkina Faso. The Economic Community of West African States, ECOWAS, has formally acknowledged the departure of Niger, Mali, and Burkina Faso. This move follows over a year of diplomatic strain, primarily caused by military coups and disagreements over ECOWAS' approach to regional governance. Who has been sworn in as the new Prime Minister of Belgium in 2025? A. Alexander De Croo. B. Sophie Wilms. C. Bart De Wever. D. Charles Michel. Correct answer is Bart De Wever. Bart De Wever, leader of the New Flemish Alliance, ENVA, was sworn in as Belgium's Prime Minister, marking a historic moment as the first Flemish nationalist to hold the position. Which tennis player recently announced retirement at the age of 33 after winning 2 Grand Slam titles? A. Serena Williams. B. Simona Halep. C. Angelique Kerber. D. Caroline Wozniacki. Correct answer is Simona Halep. Simona Halep, a two-time Grand Slam champion and former world number 1, has retired from tennis at 33 after an injury-hit comeback following a doping ban. She announced her decision after a first-round loss at the Transylvania Open. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.